Our business heavily relies on digital marketing to help small businesses grow, particularly in local and rural areas. We have opted a simple structure because we are a small business. Why did we choose this approach? Our business operates as an organic organization with cross functional teams, a wide span of control, and a flexible flow of authority throughout the staff and employees. While the structure is mostly centralized, we anticipate decentralizing it as our business grows and expands. This change will happen when we see signs of significant growth, as our organization is currently informal and lacks the complexity found in mechanistic organizations. Our business model aligns with the concept of hacienda, where resources like machinery and equipment, as well as human resources, are integrated and coordinated to achieve specific objectives. Since we are focused on long term growth rather than short term gains, we also apply the principles of economicita to ensure our survival and success. This involves prioritizing customer satisfaction, sustainability, and profitability. With the profits generated, we aim to transition from a simple structure to a functional structure. The structure of our business plan is designed to enable effective decision making and supervision of activities. While we divide tasks, we ensure that communication and responsibility are unified, especially when major decisions arise. Our key advantages are flexibility, speed, and efficiency, all while operating on a low budget. This allows us to monitor expenses closely, track revenue generation, and make improvements through employee surveys to optimize performance. However, there may be confusion about the goals of the overall business plan. For instance, partner A may have a specific method in mind for completing a task, while partner B may approach it differently, which could lead to outcomes that don't align with partner A's expectations. Additionally, minor misunderstandings in employee management may occasionally lead to conflicts. So, why we avoid a matrix structure? A matrix structure would require frequent communication for HR management and decision making. Since our partnership is limited and not all of us will be present in the day to day management, this approach may not be as effective as our current needs.
Now we can move to this SWOT analysis that is the foundation for evaluating the internal potential and limitations and the probable likely opportunities and threats from the external environment. Our strengths. First, innovative approach to marketing. Second, enables multiple businesses to advertise on shared digital billboards simultaneously. Third, cost-effective and eco-friendly. Fourth, dynamic and eye-catching digital advertisements. Fifth, flexibility and easy configuration. Sixth, focus on small businesses. Our weaknesses are limited budget, limited expertise, challenges of innovating in rural areas, and dependence on a minimal viable product. For what concerns opportunities, we have no direct competition, opportunity to tap into the stagnant rural market. Local businesses often lack awareness and tools to promote themselves effectively, potential to attract forward-thinking customers, stimulating competitiveness among businesses, and last, growing trend of eco-consciousness. Finally, threats. Competitors with more experience and resources could enter the market and outcompete our offering. Customer skepticism, resistance to change, conflicts of interest, and potential technical or operational issues with digital signage.
Now the product analysis of Vantage. We should start with bargaining power of our suppliers. Real estate, van rental, software, and digital signage all fall in the category of goods and services that are in well-developed market with plenty of alternatives to choose from. So if any of our suppliers were to put pressure on us on product or price quality, we would always have the possibility of falling back to another supplier. The situation for our solar panels is a bit different though. We're not equipped to do an advanced R&D that is required to manufacture full solar panel models in-house. And as a result, we rely on some niche suppliers. These niche suppliers occupy a small market and therefore the ability to exert a large amount of pressure on Vantage. About the bargaining power of our buyers. The buyers of our service have a medium to large amount of bargaining power. As our product is a service and not a good, we rely on producing and selling our product at the same time. we're unable to stagger our production and sales phases. To perform this, we rely on a steady stream of clients. Clients may want to negotiate prices, contents of our product, and other soft factors concerning our product. As a lack of clients leads to taking our full opportunity cost as a loss, we are forced to hear each and every potential client out on their wishes and discuss them. We of course have a risk of substitution. Vantage is a startup without any protected intellectual property. This leaves us open to attack of substitution. On the surface of our operation is not exclusive or special. We have some protection against it though. On our founder's personal insider knowledge of rural Italian towns, we rely on the wealth of social capital that exists from our founders being born and raised in rural towns. There's also threat of new entrants. There are some new entrants in Italy's digital signage market, mainly in urban areas, offering solar-powered solutions. However, these businesses are not yet operating in the specific rural areas that we focus on. This gives us a unique advantage as we serve areas that are untapped. Our focus on underserved markets sets us apart, and we believe our position will remain strong despite the growing competition elsewhere. About the rivalry among the existing competitors. In the digital signage market, our main rivals are large companies that operate in urban areas. While they have substantial resources, we do not see them as a significant threat, as their focus is on high-traffic urban environments, making rural regions less appealing for them. Another competitor is traditional marketing, particularly billboards. While they have more financial power due to their longer presence in the market and established capital, they lack the sustainability and innovation of solar-powered signage. Billboards also struggle to capture attention as effectively as dynamic, eco-friendly signage. Despite their financial advantage, we believe that their outdated nature and environmental concerns make them less of a threat, allowing us to establish a strong position in rural areas.